Video, let's try to crack sixth question from 2025 UPSC Prelims. So without much delay, let's go to the question. Consider the following statements. India has joined the Mineral Security Partnership as a member. Okay. India is a resource-rich country in all the 30 critical minerals that has been identified. Okay. The Parliament in 2023 has amended the Mines and Minerals Development and Regulation Act of 1957, empowering the central government to exclusively auction mining lease and composite license for certain critical minerals. So, after reading all the three statements, I have understood one fact. I understood one thing, that India is not a resource-rich country. If India is a resource-rich country, then we may not have the difficulty of trying to import minerals from other countries. So, comparing to 1 and 3, the second statement seems to be very impractical and it is not the right statement. So, if we eliminate 2, we can go to directly 1 and 3. And here they're saying that exclusively. So, exclusively is another extreme statement, extreme word, but here they're saying that it's for certain critical minerals. So, this exclusively extreme word has been converted into general by this certain critical minerals. So, this can be considered to be right. And of course, Mineral Security Partnership was a prominent current affairs, and all of you might know that this is correct. But in the second statement, it seems to be impractical and it's not correct. So, C.